Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric, and today, as promised, I'm going to actually be putting my old drone right into the fire. There it is. It's currently getting prepared and ready. Now recently I made a poll where I posted some items and you guys chose the drone, so I'm gonna burn that one. Now what will be next, I have no idea, but for now it's gonna go. Let's give it a send off. Alright, little drone, you were really good to me when I first started YouTube. Time to go. Alright, it's time to put it out. Alright, let's look and see what remains. The remote looks so weird, like a two-eye monster. Ooh. Look at that. Look at all this. Ooh. Look at all that copper. Motors. Let's look at the camera. Oh man. Toasty. Real toasty. That's a good send-off. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. This will be the end of the video. This will be a good proper send-off of my first ever drone that I crashed. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I posted the footage when I first crashed. That was at the Rainbow River at the time. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.